Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in CAT mobile phone B26. Let's dive in. Loosen the back cover screw. Remove the old battery, and replace it with the Cameron Sino CS-CAB260SL battery. Put the back cover back in place. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching.